everyone, welcome back to CMAS Academy and welcome to second PC Business Studies Easy class series. In the last video, we have learned about the 4 benefits or advantages of electronic trading system. I gave you a live demo also, so ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ share prices fluctuate ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು I showed you in that particular video. So quickly we shall revise all the 4 points. What are the advantages of electronic trading system? First one, it ensures transparency. Second one, it ensures efficiency of information. Third one, it ensures efficiency of operation. People from all over the country and globe also can participate in the stock market. Very good. Now, we are going to the next question. Moving on to the next question. Fourth question from Financial Markets chapter for 4 marks. Distinguish between primary and secondary market. So, primary market ಮತ್ತು secondary market ಗಿರುವಂತಹ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸಗಳು ಏನು? Now, the differences are, see, the first difference is primary market nalli it is the sale of securities by the new companies. Okay, ಹೊಸ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಗಳು ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ ಅಥವಾ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಗಳು ಹೊಸ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತರ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, it is the sale of securities by new companies or the existing companies are bringing up new shares. ಹೊಸ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. That is why it is called as primary. Primary ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So first time the shares are being sold to the public. But in secondary market, trading of existing shares, already iddantaha shares gale trade ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Just like you saw in the last grow up, last video ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು grow up ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ನಡೀತದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ. So that is an example of secondary market. Already ಇದ್ದಂತಹ shares ಗಳನ್ನ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಜನರು ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So that is secondary market. Already existing shares ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Second difference, securities sold by the company to the investor. So primary market ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, securities are sold by the company ಇಂದ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ ಗೆ directly the shares are being sold. But in the secondary market, it is the ownership of existing shares that is exchanged between the investors. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು, ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾವು ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟಾಟಾ ಕಂಪನಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್, ನಾನು ಆ ಟಾಟಾ ಕಂಪನಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ PNB ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಕಂಪನಿಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅವರ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. Third difference is prices in the primary market are determined by the management of the company. So share price ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ primary market ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, it is decided by the management or the company itself, whereas secondary market ನಲ್ಲಿ prices are determined by the demand and supply of the securities. Okay, so secondary market ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, suppose Zomato ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ Zomato ಕಂಪನಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ there is too much supply ಅಲ್ವಾ, supply increases and the price automatically ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here secondary market ಅಲ್ಲಿ prices ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, from the demand and supply of the securities. Now the last difference is primary market ನಲ್ಲಿ there is no fixed geographical location, but in secondary it is located at specified places. For example, we have BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, the National Stock Exchange. So it has its own specified places. These stock exchanges are located at specified places, whereas primary market there is no geographical location. Okay, so these are the 4 differences between primary and secondary market. Quickly we shall revise. Firstly, primary market alli it is the sale of the securities by the new companies. Secondary market alli trading of existing shares. Second difference, securities are sold directly to the investors in the primary market, but secondary market alli the ownership of existing shares is being exchanged between the investors themselves. Third difference is prices are determined by the management of the company in the primary market, whereas secondary market nalli prices are determined by the demand and supply of securities. And the fourth difference is primary market nalli there is no geographical location, but secondary market nalli stock exchanges galige avaradde ಆದ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಿರುತ್ತೆ. So they are located at specified places. Alright, so that was it for today's class. I hope you found this video useful and business studies video series useful ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ please give this video a like and also do share it with your friends and comment down below and let me know how are you finding the classes. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Namaste.